살짝 넣어서
You gotta get it with the kimchi. Hands of clap. This is hitting me right. This is the right spot. I will be back here with friends. Imagine visiting a family home in the countryside. Uncles, aunts, everyone is getting together for some farm fresh duck barbecue. It's winter time and the wood stove is blazing inside a tent. The fire is warm and the mood is warm and the love is warm. Jinmi Ori-gu in Namyangju, just on the outskirts of Seoul, feels exactly like this. Jinmi Ori-gu is a special place. It has a certain magical charm that's hard to describe. They've been operating for over 30 years, and the owners here show kindness and dedication to the food they serve. The vegetables are grown by the family themselves, and everything is presented in generous portions. Eating here feels like visiting a countryside grandma's house with loved ones. You walk into a big tent housing the biggest wood fire stove I've ever seen, pulsating heat against the cold winter like a giant heart in the middle of the room. Plastic chairs surround charcoal buckets, and the kindness of the owners is directly felt as you sit down. This is a special place, serving special food. Courtney and I are on the outskirts of Seoul in Namyangju. Of course, this area is very famous for Origui, and I think we definitely found the right place. This is a Nopo 맛집, and I can smell that changjak pouring out. This is crazy. They have a huge stove with like a whole tree inside. All around the outskirts of Seoul, it's like duck is so popular. Wow, 진짜 맛있겠다. Oh. Oh, looks amazing. 진짜 감사합니다, 사장님. Cooked using like 장작구이.
이렇게 살짝
와.
넣어서
감사합니다.
한 두 번 잡고요.
아, 든든한. 부추. 오리고기 한 마리, and it's definitely marinated. It's got the yangyamjang. Man, this looks amazing. Smells so good. And they're not just using regular charcoal here, they're using changjak charcoal. They pulled it from their huge furnace factory. Guys, this is a special o리고기 place for sure. This is insane. Guys. Huge bowl of 오리고기. Okay. I love it. You know, so all that smoke's gonna be the bulmat. 지금
네, 드셔도 돼요. 조금만 이렇게
Okay.
네.
We're ready to go. It doesn't take long to cook. Ah, this looks so good. banchan here, they give you this huge bowl of buchu muchi. And then garlic, samjang, kimchi. Simple. Oh yeah. Oh baby. It's that marinade that keeps the meat so soft because sometimes origoki can be a little dry. But that marinade, it's almost like galbi marinade. 너무 맛있어요. 너무 맛있어요. It's amazing. Try with a little bit of their sauce. Oh, baby, this is amazing. We've had duck a lot in Korea. This one's like up there for me. Amazing. Yeah. Soy, garlic, chamgiram marinade. This is fantastic. With the buchu, it's great. You gotta get it with the kimchi. It's hitting me right. This is the right spot. I will be back here with friends. This is great. Make some beautiful rolls. Wow. This is amazing. It's that galbi marinade. It's just so good. In this. Wow. Cheers, everyone. This is definitely a special place for sure. Look at all that meat.
That's really good.
Owner's really kind here too. I asked him if I could watch him cooking it, and he was like, of course. They've been open for 30 years, so it's a 남양주 노포 맛집. Man. 님, 된장찌개 추가주세요. 공기밥 하나. 너무 맛있어요. 진짜 맛있어요. 진짜 맛집입니다. Wow. 대박. Usually duck is really dry, and I always thought it was like a feature. It's like very dry, lean meat. I think it's the marinade here that makes it so, what do I want to say, juicy. Decidedly not dry, right? We can see Lotte Tower, and it feels like we're completely transported. It doesn't feel like you're in the city.
I don't know that we've ever been somewhere that like marinates it.
Usually
Chamgiram.
straight up chamgiram and salt.
And salt, which is delicious.
This buchu muchim is really good. Garlic and samjang and buchu muchi. It's so great. So much duck. Round 3, and then I'm gonna save round 4 for the bi빔국수. I don't know why, but I feel like I've been enjoying these kinds of restaurants more and more lately, where it feels like you're far away from society. Like it doesn't feel like you're in the city. It feels like you're way out in the country. We're really close to Seoul, but it just feels like we're not in the city at all. There we go. Now we're talking. It's honestly like the meat without the buchu. It's good, but it's so much better with that buchu and that sauce. This bite right here. Oh yeah. This is how I love to spend my afternoons, man. Grilling meat next to some charcoal. 아, 그리고 비빔국수 주세요. That doenjang looks so good. Sultan. Wow. Almost looks like a kimchi jjigae. Like, it's really red. It's very interesting. The hobak in this doenjang, which I've only seen this in Cheonggukchang in Jeju. But this is gonna give it really creaminess. Wow. I got bibimbuksu coming too. I'm gonna try it a little bit. Wow, for sure. Perfect on a cold winter day, I think. It's so nice. That pumpkin adds a little sweetness. That creaminess. This is really good doenjang jjigae. Yeah. This area is also very famous for bibimbuksu, cold noodles. I know it's wintertime, but I always gotta get cold noodles with meat, grilled meat. This is really fascinating because there's kimchi in this. It's really, really different. Oh, wow. Strong chamgiram 맛. It's nice. A little bit sweet for me. I would like a little more chamgiram, more shicho, but it's good. And the best bite is gonna be with the roasted bulmat duck. This is really gonna be special. Wow, it's gonna be a beautiful bite. I think next time I come here, I'm just gonna order a bowl of noodles with the. I'm gonna eat the whole meal with just noodles and duck. The combo's perfect. So, the duck marinade has no sugar on it. It's not sweet at all. But this bowl of noodles is a little bit sweet. So when you pair them, in my opinion, these noodles need this duck. It's just perfect together. I don't think I'll need dinner tonight.
Yeah.
Man, this is a good meal. I'm so surprised. Fantastic. This is a restaurant I would book a pension nearby with some friends just to come and hang out here until they close and drink soju. Yeah, it's beautiful. Anyways, guys.
In the water and enjoy it.
Yeah. This is my last bite on camera. I'm gonna finish this though. But, This place, fantastic.